When Judge Mason glanced at the defendant, his gavel froze mid-air. He recognized the eyes behind the orange jumpsuit. It was his childhood best friend, once his protector, on the streets. What followed in that courtroom wasn't justice, as usual. Secrets erupted, loyalties were tested, and lives changed forever. The courtroom buzzed with tension as Judge Mason entered, his face stern beneath the weight of 100 daily verdicts. But the moment his gaze fell upon the defendant, everything froze. Seated at the defense table was Marcus Smoke, Turner, his childhood friend. The one who once shielded him from gang initiations, shared stolen sandwiches during hard times, and saved him from a beating that could have ended it all. Mason's stomach churned. Marcus, now accused of armed robbery and assault, looked nothing like the fearless boy he remembered, just a hollow-eyed shell with shackled hands. The air thickened as Mason called for recess, stepping into chambers, trembling. He thought he'd left that world behind, poverty, violence, betrayal, but it had followed him into his robe. When court resumed, Marcus raised his eyes, and recognition lit his face like lightning. "Mays," he whispered. The jury shifted uncomfortably. The DA fumbled with papers. Mason cleared his throat, asserting control, but internally battled the tidal wave of memories. As testimonies unfolded, the truth unraveled. Marcus had taken the fall for another man, his younger brother, trying to protect him, just like he once protected Mason. A twist came when a grainy video showed someone else matching the true suspect's description. Mason's fingers gripped the bench tightly. The prosecution's case crumbled, and the defense attorney made a final plea, invoking not mercy but truth. After a tense deliberation, the jury returned, not guilty. The room erupted. Tears streamed down Marcus's face as Mason descended from the bench, breaching protocol, and embraced his old friend before the stunned crowd. Gasps filled the chamber, but Mason didn't care. The law was written in books, but justice, true justice, lived in moments like these. Reporters flooded the hallway, demanding answers. Mason simply said, "Sometimes fate puts you in that seat for a reason." Later, as the sun dipped below the courthouse steps, the two men sat side by side, silent but bonded once again. Not by the past, but by the future they now had a second chance to rebuild. The law had its rules, but this day compassion won, and it shocked everyone.